Right, this is Samsung Curve Monitor CF391. I bought it from Argos and I'm gonna unbox it. Right, so I just opened the box and it looks like the panel is in there. So let's open it completely. Right, it says it is an energy saving monitor, which is good. Right, well, what we have got in here, stand and the cable. I believe HDMI is also included, which is a bonus, and the power cable and manual. Right, this is the instruction. So it says how we can assemble the stand. Pretty easy, straightforward. That's it. You just slide in this part and then you need to screw this from here. Even you doesn't need a screwdriver. It has got really good grip. Handle on the screw, you can just tighten it up. Right, I'm just gonna slide it in this and see. Yeah, give a second, I need to slide in with both hands. Yeah, it's in and it's just a click. You will even hear the click and it's in. So I'm just gonna bring it forward. Also, it comes with a 2-pin, which is a bonus. So you can get 3-pin and there is a 2-pin as well. HDMI cable. It's a complete pack. Right, what we have got here, HDMI and auxiliary and the power cable, power socket and DP-in. Pretty standard. And this is the main power button, and I believe the menu as well. Right, so it is connected to my MacBook and I'm gonna turn it on. Right, let's see. It is connected with my MacBook. It is for $249.99 in Argos. And let me check the picture quality. Right, these colors are just out of the box. I haven't changed anything at all. Okay, there is no speakers in the monitor, so my MacBook speakers are working.
We're getting close now.
Oh yeah? Close to what? Dying of thirst? There's no way Atlantis with this far in there.
It's pretty good.
Check this place out. This is...
It's real.
Show off. Could have just peed on it.
This is 1080 pixels YouTube trailer for the Aquaman.
This trident
It looks nice.
resides the power of Atlantis. If you seek my power, journey beyond
It's
the
a 60 FPS, also full HD. This monitor is working much better on actually Windows 10 rather than a MacBook. I don't know why, but it's perfectly working on the Windows 10 system. The only thing I was again gonna say, there is no volume or speakers in this monitor. It's perfect. It's beautiful.